I'm TV6 meteorologist Eric DeBroca, and here's your latest Weather on Demand forecast. We had some snow today and several inches of snow. Matter of fact, we had between 2 and 4 inches, mainly across Marquette counties, but now the snow has moved off to the east, and so the bulk of it will continue to push its way off through the eastern portion of the UP. Not a whole lot to show you on the back side of this, just a light snow showers occurring in the western portion, but generally mainly cloudy skies and even some clearing. Especially inland here. Winds are gusting, though. That is going to be the big story tonight as a reinforcing shot of the colder air is slowly moving its way through the area. You notice now that there's still southerly, at least for the most part. We have 12-mile-an-hour sustained wind there from Sawyer at 12, and also from the Keweenaw Peninsula out of the southwest, 21 from Copper Harbor, and now down in the south, 20 miles an hour there from Eski. That will switch around, though, from the northwest as colder air starts to filter its way back in. So that means more light lake effect snow during the overnight hours Saturday into the first part on Sunday. But that will slowly shut off as well as high pressure moves its way and switches our winds around. Nonetheless, it will be a colder day, similar to Friday, though, and we will see some sunshine. But all eyes on the next winter storm, and this one, well, it looks very interesting. It has changed its track a little bit and its intensity. We're actually watching two low pressure systems. Whether or not they will merge and where exactly they will merge will be the big story on exactly how much snow we end up with. So still details unfolding at the moment. Highs today, though, relatively mild. In Marquette, though, was seasonably chilly, 15 there, 18 was our high in Sawyer. Elsewhere, we broke into the 20s, pair of 24s in Newberry and Manistee, 21 from Munising, and 22 from Houghton. How about Ironwood? 27 degrees out that way was their high as the southerly winds helped to boost temperatures up. And you can kind of see that off to the southwest as well. There is the influx of warmer air, and also the moisture from the Gulf of Mexico is starting to increase, and that's going to be critical in setting up the boundary for this next storm system, not just for the snowy side for us folks up north, but also down south for the tornadic side as well, as the much colder air battles it out with the south. You see there it was 5 degrees in the U.S.-Canadian border. So we say goodbye to this system here, which brought us a general 2 to 4, even as much as 5 inches of snow. We had some lake effect or lake enhancement from Lake Michigan. Otherwise, though, we're seeing a break in the action in Wisconsin and also on the backside there. But still, for our Sunday, we can expect some lake effect snow showers. Again, no surprise here for the northeastern portion of upper Michigan and also the Keweenaw Peninsula. But as we transition through Sunday, the high pressure will slide off to the south and will relieve us of any more lake effect snow. But here's Monday afternoon. Should be pretty calm, at least in the beginning. We were partly cloudy skies early on, and then come the afternoon. This is one of the low pressure systems that we're watching for the next snowstorm. There will be a warm front that will be developing, and everywhere to the north of this will be in the threshold of some freezing precipitation. Southbound, though, some record highs are possible into the day on Tuesday. Additionally, though, for our snowfall closer to home here on Saturday, we're talking about just an additional 1 to even as much as 3 inches, mainly across Lusk and also in towards Newberry and Schoolcraft counties. For the day tomorrow, we'll see high temperatures right around 15 in the west to 23 in the east, so it is seasonably chilly. It will be blustery, especially early in the day, as lake snows wind down later on. Your TV 6-day forecast now. Well, let's get back to that snowstorm that I mentioned a minute ago. So we'll begin the day Monday, partly cloudy skies, and then transition to some snow, mainly developing to the north, and then that transitions really all across the upper Great Lakes region, which includes right now all of the UP. As far as how much snow we're talking about, there is a potential for possibly more than 6 inches right now, which would issue a winter storm warning, but stay tuned for that, as details are not fully known yet. But we do know that snow is in our forecast for sure, and much colder week for Wednesday and Thursday behind that cold front.